Here comes a new concept for your home, the world's first smart, touchless faucet adapter. Teco Auto Water. Life can sometimes get messy. Teco Auto Water teaches children hand-washing habits and helps your busy household get rid of germs. It has 2 powerful sensors for on and off, with a timeout protection that stops the water automatically. The bottom sensor is for quick use. There's no need to replace your old taps. Simply make them work better. With our 6 different connector sizes, it fits easily with most bathroom and kitchen faucets. Teco Auto Water is made with the highest quality materials, including brushed aluminum, as well as cutting-edge technology for a minimum of charge combined with the reliable durability. Choose between 7 colors and get water during the night without turning the main light on, thanks to our motion-sensored night light. Teco Auto Water helps control and reduces household water usage and consumption by up to 65%. Help us bring our green technology to millions of homes around the world. Teco Auto Water. Use only the water you need without wasting a drop.
Hi, I'm Zach from iSmartAlarm. For the last 3 years, we've been a leader in smart home security, and we know you have concerns when it comes to smart home technology. It's complicated, inflexible, and confusing. And in the end, it all just costs too much. We've created a camera that solves all of these problems. Meet Spot. Spot is more than just your average security camera. It's the future of smart home automation.
Spot is packed with all the features you'd expect in a smart home camera. Night vision, HD resolution, motion and sound detection, push notification alerts, cloud and local video storage, and we've even brought new innovative features to the market to truly separate Spot from the competition.
When we designed Spot, we wanted to be more than a security camera. In addition to preventing burglaries, we want Spot to work with your existing smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Spot recognizes these alarms using our pattern panning algorithm and notifies you immediately of the dangers. From there, you can use Spot to see what's going on and take action if needed.
For years, we've focused on the ease and control of DIY monitoring. Spot continues this trend from the moment it's taken out of the package.
Received Wi-Fi information. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Spot's flexibility and ease of installation makes it a snap to place Spots anywhere and everywhere in your home.
We cap events in a cool way with Spot's time-lapse feature.
You can even keep your pets in line with Spot's 2-way audio capabilities. Hey, get off the couch!
Spot works by itself, with multiple spots, and with the entire iSmartAlarm family of products. We've made the best smart home camera out there.
Spot has all the features that you'd expect from a smart home camera, and more.
Spot is a huge advancement over other smart home cameras, and the cost is unmatched.
Spot's just a lot of fun, and it makes sure you, your family, and your home are safe and sound.
Take a look at the information below on Spot's features, capabilities, app controls, and more. And then, pick a Spot.
Introducing InTech, the first portable smart projector that projects in full 4K resolution. And yeah, it's portable, like put it in your bag and take it on the road portable. We're not just talking a projector. InTech is a full-on portable entertainment system, included with a stackable attachable speaker, Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi capability, and even built-in storage. That means you can play all your favorite shows and movies whenever and wherever you want, all in crystal clear 4K. InTech is small, portable, and super easy to set up. It's a fully modular system, stacks seamlessly and connects wirelessly, which means you can break it down in seconds and set it up just as fast. Use your phone or the included remote to browse your settings and apps, or connect a device via HDMI. The omnidirectional speakers provide stunning sound all around, no matter where you place it. And 3D projection gives you a unique portable 4K experience. Best of all, InTech Stand allows you to swivel it seamlessly in 360 degrees and stand it upright so you can watch your favorite shows on the ceiling. No more craning your neck in bed. Watch your shows fully relaxed or enjoy a beautiful night under the stars. Whatever you do, wherever you are, whenever the time, you'll have crystal clear entertainment right beside you. InTech. 4K just got portable.
2 years ago, we pitched an idea. Not just a 3D printer. Not just a milling machine. Get ready for an unprecedented design freedom and choose among different materials and technologies. It's time to think bigger. Personal fabrication will change the way things are designed and made. We have the skills and the ingenuity needed to fulfill this vision. Support this project. Together, we can make it happen.
If you understand what you're shooting and how to shoot it, taking the perfect shot is as simple as hitting a button. But what if you don't? It's okay, because Erga does. Introducing Erga. It's your intelligent camera assistant and personal storage cloud. Erga learns from a database of thousands of professional photos that it divides into specific scenes. Select the one that matches what you're shooting, and it optimizes your settings for the best photo possible. Erga can even capture scenes with high dynamic range. It takes 3 photos at different exposures and combines them into a single HDR image. And its database is constantly being updated, so you'll always have the right technique for any shot. Erga also lets you control your camera from up to 100 feet away. You can see a live preview, adjust manual settings, and activate the shutter. You can review both photos and video, as well as share your content to social media. Erga helps beginners learn the fundamentals while being a valuable time saver for professionals. For time lapses, beginners can select a preset mode, while experienced users can expose for changing light by the hour or even minute. You can preview your time lapse when it's finished and export a video directly from the app. Erga is also a personal storage cloud. With its micro SD slot, you can store up to 256 gigabytes of extra memory. Now you can back up full SD cards right in the field. And with a 12-hour battery that can charge your phone, Erga keeps you shooting longer than ever. At the end of the day, Erga connects wirelessly to your network-attached storage and backs up your work automatically. From capture to storage, Erga intelligently enhances every part of your workflow. It's your ultimate camera assistant.